Hey everyone, I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about software and why it's so important to use it and have it, and it just makes life a lot easier. And before I started doing all this internet marketing and stuff, I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna buy this software. It's too confusing, it's too expensive, um, but you have to have it. I mean, it's a must that you have certain kinds of software. It just makes life easier. And again, I think I told you guys before that a guy I follow is Russell Brunson, and he's taught me so much without really teaching me, because he has a coaching program, but I'm not involved in it. I just watch his videos and take in everything he says. And I know it's hard to find the right people because everybody's trying to make a dollar off you, but the good thing about Russell is, I mean, he's already made a ton of money, so I mean, everybody's goal is to make money, but he's not trying to sell you something right away. And if he is trying to sell you something, it's something that is very useful and can help. And there's an old saying, there's no shortcuts in life. Well, that's, like he put it, that's a big lie. I mean, think about it this way: when you were a kid and you were getting off the school bus and you could cut through the neighbor's yard to get home, that's a shortcut, right? So you did it. It made life easier. You didn't have to walk as far. So the same principle applies with software. It's basically a shortcut, and there's some things you just can't do without it. And software I want to talk about today, you know, the apps, we've already discussed it a little bit, and I'm going to get into more of that throughout this whole website's going to be about app software development. And so right now I want to talk about software. And if you have an e-commerce store, if you sell something, whether it be t-shirts or you sell stuff for Amazon, or you sell nutrition products, vitamins, anything, there's a software, I believe it's called Asian Inspector. I'll have a link below the video, and you can check it out. But that software there, I have a couple of e-commerce sites, and before I bought that software, and you can buy, I think it's like 60 bucks, uh, and you can get it, or you can pay a monthly fee on it, and it comes with a lot more stuff you can do. But it literally goes inside. Let's say you're selling something for Amazon, it'll go inside and find the hottest things that are selling and the keywords, and it help you lay out your store, and just so much easier, man. So that's one example of what that software can do, and I'll let the developer tell you more about it. But I use it. It's well worth every penny I've spent on it. Without it, I couldn't be sitting on a golf course. As you can see, in a nice day in Florida. Um, that couldn't be happening right now if it wasn't for this software, and if it wasn't for Russell. I'm gonna write some articles about the people that I follow that have helped me in a lot of ways, and a lot of people say you need a mentor or a life coach, and a lot of you might be life coaches or mentors, and I'm highly for that. You know, I love helping people, and you know, you just get a feeling that it just makes you feel good inside. So that's what this website's all going to be about when it's done. But it's all about helping people and finding the right ways to do internet marketing, and the things that I've learned, and I pass that on to you guys, and then you know, everybody's different. That's the cool thing about the internet is we all have our own story. We've all been through different things in life. So with the internet and with your websites and your blogs, you have a chance to express yourself in a way that nobody can copy. You get to show your personality. You get to show what you've succeeded in, what you've failed in, what's worked for you, and you pass it on. You know, that's just how I believe. That's the type of heart I have. Um, and you help the next person, and then that person helps the next person, and it's a chain reaction, and that's what's so cool about the internet, in my opinion. You know, a lot of people say don't get into the health and fitness niche because it's so crowded. Well, who cares? The things I know about health and fitness are not the same about what the other guy knows or the other girl. So, you know, and that's one of the main things they teach you too. You got to stand out. How do you stand out? Simple. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Let your personality come out. You know, if you don't like doing videos, there's another software. I'm gonna make a whole page about this, because this is a must-have too. It helps you make videos to where you don't even have to put yourself on camera. It's like doing PowerPoint slides, but you just write the text out and bam, the PowerPoint slide's done. You put in some pictures, and the next thing you know, you got a professional looking video or sales video or whatever you want to do with it. But that's another one you have to have. It's I haven't spent much money on advertising, but I have spent money on software. You know, you need software security, you know, and you need software that is going to make life easier for you doing this internet marketing. So that's what I wanted to touch on first. There'll be an article below. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the links below and go to app designing, and read more in the article there, or go straight over to the developer's page and listen to what he has to say about it. But I'm telling you, this software, if you have an e-commerce business, will literally change your life in a week's time. I promise you, guarantee it. You will have so much free time, and your sales will skyrocket. So check it out, and software works, period. There really is shortcuts in life. Stop doing things the hard way. You know, there's that saying, it takes money to make money. Well, you think about it, you're going to spend 40, 50, 60 bucks on this software. Your return on investment is going to be thousands. So spend a little bit. You know, there's certain things you have to have, and software is one of them. So hope you guys gained a little bit of knowledge off this video, and like I said, click the links below and check out more. Alright, I'm gonna go back to playing golf in this nice beautiful, can you believe this? This is December in Florida, and it's actually cold to us. The wind's blowing, and it's like, I don't know, probably 70 degrees. But nice, huh? If you've never been to Florida, come on to Florida. nice. You'll love it here. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I will check back in with you guys probably tomorrow. Or I don't know if football's on tomorrow, but I don't know. I'll check back in with you guys. Alright, take care.